Hi guys, welcome to Pretty Cut Rate. Well, we're gonna find the best deal at the best rate. Let's go do it. Okay, we are here for pot roast. Ooh, what they got? Ooh, ooh. Tons, guys, tons. Just keeps going. Let's see what they got for the pot roast. Let's see. We scored! Yes. I am here for the big roast, guys. Do you see that? $8.99. Cannot beat that. We're gonna grab this one. Uh-oh. Okay. Also, I need some rice for tonight. Rice. Rice. We're getting close. I feel it. Rice. No, Carise. Let's see. Do you see rice, guys? That's pasta noodles. I don't see rice, guys. We got beans. We got green split peas. You're okay, sir. Okay, no. Rice. Are we on the app? It has its own rice. So let's see what we want. I think I want some jasmine rice, guys. That's a lot of rice. Lot of rice. Cook. White rice. I think we're gonna try white rice. Yeah. Okay. Also need some aluminum foil and we're done. Set that right there. I want the heavy duty. Okay. We got a catastrophe. We got it back together, though. I want something sweet, guys. I'm snacky. The big guys. I didn't bring my saver bags inside, guys. Maybe a yogurty. I'm yogurty type. Some oats. Hot cocoa rolls. Gosh. Those look delicious. We're going to do those Christmas night. How about that? I'll be back. Egg bars. No, don't need that at this time. My oats. Bing, 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 bing. What we got? Dark chocolate and sea salt. Let's see. Oats and dark chocolate. Oats, honey, raisins, almonds. I love oats and dark chocolate, guys. Simply delicious. Or they just have pumpkin this time. What is it? Pumpkin and chocolate chip. Okay. No. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab the dark chocolate. $2.99. Okay, I think we're done. Let's see. Let's go on the baker side really quick. I don't feel like a chocolatey donut right now. Let's see. Ooh, I do feel chippy though. Let's see. I think I'm okay right now. I'm hungry, and so that's not a good thing. And let's see. Ooh, I still got guac at the house too. Let's see. I made some homemade guac yesterday. Let me see, then find the best chippy to dip in that thing. know, guys. Let's see. It's 69, guys. Let me get out of here because I am hungry. So, again, that's not good. So let's head. Yeah, I made it back over here, guys. Let's see. Almost set.
What is it? Shovel.
Okay, guys.
Can you hear me what I said?
Miss Caitlin. 16. Really quick before I go, let's see about. Is that it? Let's see. That is. The phone doesn't want to stay with me, guys.